At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, opposition spokesman on finance and the public service, Julian Robinson, is calling for Minister of Finance and the Public Service, Favour Williams, to appoint the appeal tribunal of the Financial Services Commission. Robinson says this critical body established under Section 19 of the Financial Services Commission Act has been absent since the expiration of the last tribunal tenure in August 2023. My wisdom warriors, between me and Uno, and at first them come out, and talk about this, And at first them come out and talk about it, And at first them come out and talk about it. You understand? And Andrew Holness say he might go appoint someone all now. All now. You understand me? All now. So who are really dealing with the appeals of the tribunal? Who? When we really check it, who? You see, when you see them leave things like this in my wisdom warriors, Andrew Holness I deal with everything, Yes, Andrew Holness I deal with everything. The Act mandates that the appeal tribunal consists of 3 members appointed by the minister. However, no replacement have been named, leaving appellants without any recourse for over a year, he points out. Wanna hear that? Wanna hear that, my wisdom warriors? The Act mandates that the appeal tribunal consists of 3 members appointed by the minister. However, no replacement, none since August 2023. There is no replacement of the appeal tribunal. None. And the Act mandates say it is consists of 3. 3 person, 3 members. 3 members. And since August 2023, they no put none forward, not even one. So what that tell Uno say? What I tell Uno say? The sister them not care. They not care about nothing. And this is not the first time the PNP come out and talk about this. It's not the first time. You understand? Uno can't do things like that. Uno cannot do things like that. It just don't make no sense. The appeal tribunal plays a pivotal role in ensuring accountability and transparency in the financial services sector. I want to listen good in Jamaica. Want to hear what them say? Want to hear what Julian Robinson say? Julian Robinson said the appeal tribunal play a pivotal role in ensuring accountability and transparency in the financial services sector. It provides a forum for individuals and entities aggrieved by FSC decisions to have their grievance heard and addressed. Its continued absence undermines confidence in the government regulatory framework, as the mechanism itself is necessary for safeguarding the rights and interests of businesses operating within Jamaica financial sector. The failure to appoint a new tribunal represents a glaring breakdown in the government responsibilities to businesses and investors. You see, at this point, when I really look upon it, my wisdom warriors, at this point, they don't care about no tribunal. You see, true, they don't want no transparency and all these things. They don't want nobody in the midst. And that me I get from it. They don't want nobody in the midst. So when the 3 members what them have leave, yeah, they not in no rush to put another 3. You understand me? Because them are going with the whole heap of ranks, Them are going with the whole heap of things behind the scenes. A pure bangarang a go on. Pure pasa a go on. That's why I know, you see, Andrew Holness administration cannot appointed the persons. I know he can't appointed the persons. Tell me if this sound so. Why? Me don't know. I don't know. This is a joke. This must a joke. This could never serious. Listen, Andrew Wallace administration lost credibility, big time. There's nothing good about me. You're not talk about good governance. Uno not have no good governance in our Uno don't have it in our heart, much less. Pure pretend uno out here pretend and trick the Jamaican people. Every single day uno out here a trick way. Every single day. Every single day. And it's not the first time I heard Julian Robinson come out and talk about this. This is the second time. From August 2023, uno need appeal tribunal. All no. All no, not even one. All no. Because uno don't want to be transparent and uno don't want to held accountable for nothing. Uno don't want nobody in our business. Remember in Jamaica, so the FSC is the government, The FID is the government. I want to remember. So when me talk, I want to hear me as a government, me know what me talk about. Because the FSC is the government. The FID is the government. You understand? And all of them operate from Andrew Wallace's desk. And I'm not hide, everybody know that. Down to the land agency. Every single thing operate from Andrew Wallace's office. And it's just a bit weird how him come out to talk about Favour Williams is finance minister. I don't really believe Favour Williams is no finance minister. She did so bad in the education system. The education system broken down. I tell me say you make Favour Williams be finance minister? No way. Andrew Wallace a finance minister in a trick way. And put Favour Williams there for show face. That's all. That's all, my wisdom warriors. That's all. These people don't care. From when Julian Robinson tell them say they need a appeal tribunal. All know because they don't want nobody know them business. Really and truly, a whole heap of wrongs them a do and they really want to put somebody where they can trust. When me say where them can trust, we know them business. So when they're ready for thief and do all kind of sitting, they can keep their secret. It is bad, It is really bad. And we just sit down so and we not do nothing. We the people and we have the power in our hand. Jano, hear more. The opposition is therefore urging the finance minister to act decisively and without further delay to appoint members to the tribunal, fulfilling her responsibility under the law. Robinson says continued inaction signals our dereliction of duty and contradicts the government's stated commitment to strengthen its regulatory responsibilities. My wisdom warriors, uno know say Julian Robinson put out a statement. He released the statement. Someone want to listen to where Julian have to say. Take in this.
I'm calling on the Minister of Finance to speedily appoint an appeals tribunal for the Financial Services Commission. Since the expiration of the tenure of the last tribunal in August 2023, no new members have been appointed. That has left appellants without any recourse and in limbo in the absence of an appeals tribunal. This is really a dereliction of duty on the part of the Homeless Administration and needs to be rectified speedily. It is important for good governance and accountability within the financial services sector for individuals or firms who feel that they have been aggrieved by a decision of the FSC to be able to appeal. And without a tribunal, no appeal can be heard. And there's been an absence for almost a year and a half.
Visit our website at pnp.org.
So my wisdom warriors, wanna hear what Julian have to say. Let's see if Favour Williams are going to come out and say a lie. Because the figure them lie so tell. Let's see if them are going to come out and say a lie. Because this are not a lie. Because they came out before. You understand? They came out before and talk about it. So let's see what them are going to do. Let's see if she going to come out and she going to address this situation here. Because I don't know what get into Favour Williams' head or who get into fear head. But me I tell you, say, appeal lie she a tell. She just a cover for Andrew only. So I don't know what really going on with them. But really and truly, me just want the whole of them to lift up. Because them are eyeglass and them don't know what them are do. You know hear me? Them are eyeglass and they don't know what they are doing. Number one, the crime is going down. The crime is going down. People are lose them life left, right, and center. And yet we still a talk about Andrew Holness a good. Come on. Andrew Holness a good Prime Minister. Where? You understand me? So let's see. Let's see if them are going to come out and respond, my wisdom warriors. Come, me a wait. Because this need to be done. Effective immediately. You understand? It need to be done. This is not a joke thing. This is not a joke. Maybe to them I know nothing, you know, so they can get fit thief and they can get fit do all they want to do. So I know nothing. I know nothing to them. You understand? But we have followed the act. And the act Julian I go by. The act. This is why they don't want to sign the leadership code of conduct, you know, wisdom warriors. Yeah, man. They don't want to sign no leadership code of conduct and them a leader. So them claims that them a leader. Sometimes I wonder to myself and I say, I don't know how Jamaican people make this mistake and make Andrew Holness, not even say Andrew Holness, make the Jamaica Labour Party go in power. How we make that mistake? How? But them need to come out and the time is now. Minister with responsibility for works, Robert Morgan, has hit back at his opposition counterpart, Richard Azan, as the rollover payment for Christmas work deepens. Mr. Azan has alleged that the government has failed to pay workers employed on most of the projects under the Christmas work program, including most of those implemented by the National Works Agency, NWA. In response, Minister Morgan concedes that while there have been delays with some payments, how when it comes to Jamaican people, either we money delay or we not get no money. How comes? Uno say Jamaica Labour Party take with a full door? Uno see that uno labor right uno me a chat to because uno no get pay. Uno labor right. Uno say me a defend uno right now? Uno see so when me attack and me a cuss out them backside, uno fi shut up on the mouth. Uno fi shut up on the mouth because all now uno no get no pay. Uno see one come out come chat. Uno see one come out and ball. Yes, uno see one. And no nothing I hide. Everybody a talk about it. And no nothing I hide. In response, Minister Morgan concedes that while there have been delays with some payments, they result from issues with documents submitted by the contractors. Go on, you too damn lie. You too lie. Move on, go ahead. And then come out and talk about how PNP play politics. Go ahead, nobody no play politics like a own thief. That's why Observer call you a loser. Go a loser. Go on like you're no loser for true. My wisdom warriors, take a look at this. I'm just showing you that little part here. Then me come back to it. Yeah? It was like a case of rubbing salt in the wound when Councillor for the Mucka Division in Clarendon North Central, Romaine Morris, having left the JLP for the PNP following a falling out with Member of Parliament Robert Morgan, won the division on a PNP ticket in February local government election. You hear that? Observer, look good and me write it. Observer, write it. And look on the top up the saying a white. Look over my head for me, the wisdom warriors. It's a losers. Real loser that. Them never do nothing wrong yet. Everything always a go wrong, you know. Everything go wrong underneath the Jamaica Labour Party administration. But then they come out and nothing never wrong yet. All when we see it with our two own eyes, my wisdom warriors, them always come out and say, nothing never happen. Oh, them so lie and wicked. I don't blame Observer. The right thing to call them is a set of losers. Yes, it's a set of losers. Because you come out now and say how the PNP, how Richard Azan a play politics. Richard Azan not play no politics. He just come and talk the truth. And you talk about play politics. Okay, so you no delay people money and people talk about it. Yeah, and you talk about politics. You see, say that boy and have no sense. That's why I call him send out boy. You see it though? You see say that no sense. Opposition spokesperson on Road and Works, Richard Azan, has chastised government for not paying workers who were employed on most of the projects under the Christmas work program. Azan said the government failed. Listen, my wisdom warriors, because me talk about this yesterday. I don't know if enough of you did watch it. If you don't watch it, you go back and you watch it. Yeah, on the thumbnail it writes something about 22 million, so you can watch it. Azan said the government failed to deliver on its promise of $22 million per constituency. Remember, say Andrew Holness run out, in a parliament, Remember, how them did that beat down the table in my wisdom warriors. More than if you go back, go try find the video. Yeah, but me I go see if me can find it maybe later or tomorrow or so. Yeah, but in a statement, Azan said, despite assurances from Prime Minister Andrew Holness last month, many constituencies, including those in Clarendon, Manchester, St. Mary's, St. Anne's and St. Andrew remain without the promised funds. You hear that? Remember, say Andrew Holness come out in a parliament and say each constituency are going to receive 22 million. You remember good, no? And then you see the whole of them are lit down the desk. Yes, all Juliet Cockburn fling and then just a go on so. Look on it. And the man come out and talk about it. And you Nesta Maga, don't you say no, boy. I can't talk about play politics. You know, say I don't play politics. You take Jamaican people for idiot. But I wonder if the people them in the rural area really, because the people them most labor right, mostly a uno no get pay. Yeah, mostly a uno know that. Uno know that, but uno always make this government a trample upon uno. Always. Nesta Morgan, you need to go sit down. You need to go sit down. And when you talk truth. Stop talking about play politics. Because Mr. Azan is not playing no politics. The only person playing politics here is you, Nesta Morgan. No one else. Nobody else. Because you couldn't just clearly come out, and let the people them know, say, yes, because there's a delay in the money, such and such and such. You understand? Why you have to come and here talk about how Azan play politics? That is uncalled for. That no make no sense. That really no make no sense. So you a play politics. You, Nesta Morgan. You too little bit of me case. Because you and Andrew Holness promise each constituency 22 million and some constituency not get dine. Some constituency and Jamaican people really believe say every single MP get it. And them not get it. Some of them get it, so how money are delay? The one them will get it, we do the work, how fi uno money are delay? How comes the money I get delay? When it come to Jamaican people, money for money always a delay. Look all upon the money where Andrew only say Maggie, everybody in Jamaica, the 20,000 there. It delay up to now we can't hear nothing. Me tell you son, if you get the first batch, you not go get no second and third batch, you stay there. But my advice to UNO PNP, opposition leader, keep the pressure upon them. Anything they say them are going to do and they not do it, come out and make it be known. Make the world know what is going on. Because if we don't know what is happening, yeah, everybody believes that Andrew do good and Andrew is not doing nothing. You understand? I want everybody to know that straight. So anytime Andrew want to say I do something and the time pass, come out. Talk about it and make the world know what is going on. Don't give Andrew Holness no blie. Because Andrew Holness was the same very person that say the citizen not forget no blie. So we now give them no blie. So as they slip, them slide. Yeah, we want to know what is going on. So me just want to commend Azan for come and speak out and make the people them know what is happening. Because everybody did believe, say, each constituency received the 22 million when nothing never go so. And see people are ball for them money there. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think. Put on honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My people, don't forget, go over to my other channel. It is called the PNP News Raw. No. Subscribe and get me to 5K. Tell a friend about Attack of the Press. If you want to reach me, my people, you can do so by texting me only on WhatsApp. 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings. One love.